Hi, I'm Megan with WTI, and I wanted to show you this new leather messenger bag by Odious art. This fits a 14-inch laptop in it, and because of the 3 compartments on the inside, you can fit so much more than just a laptop. In fact, the back of the bag has a zippered compartment as well, which fits a full-size tablet in it. I love the green on the inside. It just adds a little bit of originality to the bag and gives it a lot more of a vintage vibe. Of course, the tanned leather is absolutely beautiful and goes with everything. The handle on top can adjust according to your height. I put it at the smallest setting, and I'm about 5'4". I'm petite, so you can see where it falls on me, and it still works great either off the shoulder or as a crossbody messenger bag. I also love that the bottom is very wide, and so it sits really nicely on the ground without tipping over. So if you're looking for a well-built messenger bag, this one is going to last you because it's made of leather. It's a large enough messenger bag to fit everything that you need without being overbearing. And that's my point of view.